Hello everybody, tonight we make crab scampi with pasta. For the ingredients, I got the crabs. Somebody was bringing to me, look at me, I got over here. I got limoncello. This limoncello it's homemade. I make it with my hands. I got a butter, fresh parsley from my garden, fresh garlic, a flake hot pepper, the thyme, and I got spaghetti. Okay, I left one over here to show everybody the way I'm clean. You take the crab, you turn around. Now this one it's a mel. With a knife, you push this up like that. Okay? After you put one finger over here and one finger over here, and you snap. Okay? One time you snap this like this, I take and I snap and a half. Okay, now we put cold water and we wash. All this you gotta come out, you see? You wash inside, all the yellow stuff come off. And make sure to take it out this. This, you see, got the flake, like a flake. This, everything you gotta come out. Clean up really, really good. Okay, I did one, and now we got this other one over here. See, look at that. Okay, now for start, we put oil. And we got butter. Already start to melt the butter. We raise the gas a little bit more. I want to make a nice dish tonight with spaghetti. Okay. The garlic. Oh, so good, the smell. Okay, now time of the crab. Oh, well, now we saute this. Let's put now the hot pepper, my oil baby flake. Okay. Oh, good, good, good. Now it's the time of the limoncello. Okay, now, I got this, it's limoncello. This I was make. We want to try with the limoncello. But if you don't got no limoncello, you can use lemon and white wine. Okay? But this, it's homemade limoncello. It's a lot of lemon. And we yeah, the limoncello, it give a really, really nice smell, everything. I want to try. Okay, this is the first time I did with the limoncello. Okay, now the crab, you gotta cook like 10 to 11 minutes. And we got a pasta, spaghetti, you gotta cook 9 to 10 minutes. And I put salt already in the pasta. And let's give a nice turn like this. I got my wood fork. Now, when the pasta is almost cooked, I need a little water, and I use the water for the pasta. Okay, now I got my thyme from my garden, and I want to put right over here, can give a really, really good taste for my crab. The crabs, they look really good. Cook on low. Now, let's give a nice turn for the pasta. Okay, let's pour a little water for the pasta. Good. Yeah, the limoncello smell really, really good. Okay, the crabs started to change color nice, eh? Okay, now I put my limoncello with the crab, and what happened to me? I want mine too. Okay. Salute chin chin. Now, so everybody want to make a limoncello, it's on a recipe, and you can see I'll make it by myself for this. It's really, really delicious. Salute e chin chin ad everybody. Yeah, tastes really, really good. Ah, salute, questo limoncello oggi fatto io, che mano me, ho pigliato il limone, tutta la scorcia e sta un mese. All the skin of the lemon with the alcohol, you gotta stay 1 month before you put everything inside. Salute cin cin. Okay, the pasta's ready. Ready to put it right on this parts of the crabs. Oh, spaghetti al dente. Oh, you think I got an offer for me this? I leave my son only the look. I gotta tell her not touch. That's it. Okay, now we got some fresh parsley. And we mix everything together now. Oh, it looks so delicious. Okay, ready to go now. I want to taste this. Okay, let's put it right on this dish over here. My pasta. Look at that. Come here. I put over here. Oh. Okay, now I want to taste. I want to put one of the crab over here. And this is my fork. It looks really, really good. And look at the pasta. So good. You can taste the limoncello. And now, this is the crab. And you break and you got over here the crab meat inside over here. And you see this? It's a play. It's a lot of juice. It's really good. Oh, and the crabs, it's so good. We have a good, somebody give it to me today, but we gotta give a thank you very much. A thank you, the look this, I hope somebody make the way I did, it come out really good. Thank you very much, and we see next time. Thank you. Oh, I'm hungry already. Madonna, I put over here. Oh.